Hi everyone, Tiffany here, and I am back with another video. This time it is a makeup look. Now, this is what the makeup look looks like, the eye look. As you can see, I don't have perfect skin, and neither do many people out there. So it's okay to wear makeup, don't be ashamed, and don't be ashamed that your skin isn't perfect. Because you know what? We're not perfect people. So this is the eye look that I decided to wear today. And this is just based off of the, let's see, I used 3 palettes in this look. We're going to use the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. We'll also be using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and also the Electric palette from Urban Decay. So most of these shadows are going to come from these 2 palettes. You can probably find a dupe for the one that comes from the Electric palette. So if you are interested and want to see how to achieve this makeup look, just keep watching.
I'll be dreaming. 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 I'll be dreaming.
Shade is from the Zulu
I'll be
palette.
dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Next we'll use this light brown shade called
I'll be
Nana from the
dreaming.
Magician palette, followed by this
I'll be dreaming.
from the Urban Decay
I'll be
Electric
dreaming.
palette, and that is going to go in our outer corner. And we're going to blend that until we get to the look we desire. Next we're going to take the Zulu green shade back from the Zulu palette and try and blend that out, because we're going to be using a lighter green shade. And this is the green shade we're going to be using. It's in the middle of the Zulu palette, and we're going to put it on the innermost corner of our eye.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Next we are going to conceal underneath the
I'll be
eye.
dreaming. I'll be dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming. We're dreaming.
Now we're going to blend using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the lightest shade, which is 110 Porcelain. I'm going to apply that to the face. Next, we're going to set the face with using the Coty Air
I'll be
Spun,
dreaming.
translucent, extra.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Next, I'm going to use the
I'll be
lightest
dreaming.
brown shade from the Artist Pro Glow to kind of contour my sugar. Now I'm going to be
I'll be dreaming.
using base from MAC. This is in the shade Bamboo. I'm going to stipple that on my cheeks with an Elf Small Stipple Brush. I'm going to go back in with that green shade and go along the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to use that Essence highlighter. It's a light green and gold shift. I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight and my main cheek highlight.
I'll be dreaming.
Next, I'm using this liquid cat suit from Wet n Wild. It's a liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be
Next, I'm using my
dreaming.
mascara. This is the
I'll be
deluxe size of
dreaming.
the Urban Decay Perversion
I'll be
mascara.
dreaming. I'll be dreaming.